About our heroes. So with our heroes, we have a hero hole, which we can use keys to potentially get more heroes. So I'll open one chest just to show you what we can get. See, that's a puzzle piece for a hero. When you get enough pieces, you'll be able to summon a hero in the hero section. See all the heroes I've got right now. Now, each hero has stats and skills. Now, the skills on the left are for when you're doing things in the explorer's cabin only. So the skills on the left are for when you're doing these fights here, or when you're doing fights in the arena. So when you do fights in the arena or explorer's cabin, you will see the hero skills on the left hand side for that. Now the hero skills on the right hand side are expedition skills. Now those skills are used for intel missions, which you can do at the lighthouse, which are like the beast hunting ones or the bounty ones. Note that the hero's journey one is for the exploration skills, even though it's an intel mission, because it's not actually on the map itself. So like ones that are on the map itself will be expedition. Now, obviously, like with your heroes, they all have different skills. Now, let's just say Chloris, for example, her skills in expedition, you know, she can increase the output of income at your city, and she can also increase the gathering speed. So for her, you will want to use her when you're gathering food. See here, I'm gathering food right now, right? And I'm using Chloris right there to increase the gathering speed. See how it says plus green? 65,000 an hour. Now that's all because of her. So if you increase this skill here, that will increase her gathering speed for that. Now all the blue ones are for gathering. So they're all specifically for one different type of gathering. So this one's iron, this one's coal, and this one's wood. So upgrading those skills will help you gather faster. Now other skills that heroes have, which could be handy, will be, for example, Zinman. Zinman has a second skill, which increases construction speed and reduces the cost. So each time you upgrade that, the cost will go down on your construction and construction speed will be increased permanently. Now, you can only upgrade your skills as high as your star levels. See, my star level is only level 1, so I can only upgrade it to level 2. So when this is level 2, I'll be able to go to level 3 for that. But yeah, that's just the basics for the heroes right now. So yeah, just take a look at each of those skills because they're kind of handy. You'll get to know what to use for different things. So, for example, this Ling Zui has a skill here which increases the training speed of troops. So that's quite critical. So if we get her up to level 1 star, we'll be able to unlock that and then the training speed will go faster. But they've all got their own skills, so you'll be able to look at them and decide for yourself what your priorities are. But you can only get those types of so to level up heroes you need the appropriate shards to be able to do it. Now you can get blank shards. The blank shards here you just click on and you can redeem, which means turn them into shards for that particular hero. Now you don't want to redeem your blank shards anytime soon because you want to save them as long as you can. In the other section in your backpack it shows you all of your shards that you have available. See my blank ones, and then obviously my normal ones. Now I'm not using mine right now too much because there is an event coming up on the calendar which is the Holochiefs, and I'm saving it for that event because I can earn more rewards by saving it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.